takes like wattage off.
It's on the 330i 4-cylinder twin turbo. To get this coolant line replaced, whatever the number is, that's the part number. Oh, looks like there's a QR code. Okay. The line goes in like this, goes to the surge tank right here, and then that part goes to the engine right there. Right here. Right next to the alternator, I have to remove the belt. Okay, I'm gonna install the line. It goes like that on the engine. So I'm gonna go down like that and curve it. And you wanna see it. You wanna see it on that around there. You see it, so I'm trying to just go down in there. There you go, you start to see it. I'm just wiggling this. Let me see if I can find it out here. There you go. It's not going nowhere, it's on there now. Then you come up here. That's it. And that's it, it's fixed. This bracket goes back under there. First I gotta let this hose down. Yeah, you see how the hose covers it. So you push the hose down, it clamps on like that. Okay, I guess you go like this. Okay, I'll go up like right here. So one of the bolts goes right there like that. So you just put that. Put your other bolt in there. Alright, with that bracket installed, I'm gonna pop this clip in and this clip in right here, this line, and then this little one goes in the bottom under there, going. Okay. I mean, there's a T27. And you got one down here. At the bottom, there's three. Top your cone off.